We've all considered shaving down there to clean up, to be more fresh. So we grab a blade, we get ready, but then it's a little bit threatening. I mean, the blade is extremely sharp and you're about to put it on the sensitive part of your body. Now, I know this is a random topic, but it's an important topic. I mean, you're clicking on this video because you want to do it to yourself, so someone needs to make a video about it. So today, I'm going to tell you how to trim your balls, how to shave your balls, and what to do afterward, and make sure you leave them in good condition. Number one, trimming. This is the simplest and the safest way to do it. All you need is a good trimmer. I'm personally using the MANSCAPED Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra for two reasons. Number one, it has skin safe trimmer blades, so you can literally put it on your skin and it's not going to cut you. And number two, when you add a guard onto the trimmer, it basically makes it 100% safe. Now I'm about to do a live demonstration, so close your eyes please. I know you didn't close your eyes, you weirdo. But anyways, this is your balls, this is the trimmer with the guard. Whether you have the guard on or not, you don't want to go straight on like this, because then you're basically asking to cut yourself. All you want to do is line it parallel and go slow and steady around it, getting all those hairs. Just like that, very simple, very safe, and very effective. Now this video is sponsored by MANSCAPED, but even if it wasn't, I would still be talking about this product because I'm sure you've heard about MANSCAPED when it comes to trimming yourself up and grooming yourself. It's kind of the go-to. Anyways, if you want to get the same kit that I got or anything else from MANSCAPED, you can go to manscaped.com and use my code PIERRED for 20% off plus free shipping. And honestly, once you have this, it comes in a travel case. You can take it wherever you want and it'll last you a long time. Number two, if you're not satisfied with trimming your boys and you want to take it one step further, you want to completely shave them, we can do that. We're entering some dangerous territory, but we can do that. So let me show you. First thing you can do is to use a razor. Now, if you're gonna use a razor, make sure you choose one that has multiple blades to avoid nicking or cutting yourself. Now, the second thing you want to do, because the skin is pretty loose, so to avoid the skin being loose, you want to tighten it up. So either take a quick cold shower or rinse this off with cold water. Now, once it's tight, you're gonna take some shaving cream, put it on, and go slow and steady around. Very slowly, very carefully, because you want to keep the blade parallel. You don't want it being on an edge or an angle because that's how you cut yourself. Now, I'm not gonna lie, that is the scariest option, but it is gonna be effective if you do exactly what I said. Sharp blade, keep the skin tight, cold water, shaving cream, go slow and steady. Now, the second option, and the option that I prefer, to use the MANSCAPED Lawn Mower 5.0 straight up without a guard and just go onto it. Because like I said, it does have skin safe trimmer blades, so it's designed in a way to avoid cutting yourself. So even if I'm putting it directly on my skin, I'm avoiding cutting and I'm not going to be able to cut myself. However, if the skin is loose, it's still possible that it can get caught between these blades here. Still, apply some cold water to tighten up the skin, but once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. Activate the lawnmower, get your boys, go parallel and just slow and steady around, getting all those hairs. And again, I'm not going to stress this enough, but if you're doing this, you're asking for it. You're asking to cut yourself. And lastly, once you're done, step 3, I mean, you did just shave the hair off your boys. You have to have a good aftercare routine to make sure they're in good condition. First thing you want to do once you're done is to take a nice hot shower, a nice steamy shower to open up the pores all around in your body, including your boys. Now, once you get out, you're going to apply the Crop Smoother by MANSCAPED. This is basically an aftershave for your balls, just to make sure it's moisturized and prevent any ingrown hair. And after that, you're pretty good to go. You're shaved, you're clean in a safe and effective way. Again, if you want to get the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra or anything else from MANSCAPED, check out manscaped.com and use my code PIERRED for 20% off plus free shipping. Hope this video saved a few lives. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn those post notifications on so you know exactly when I upload. And that's it. I will see you in the next video.